Jen, I love that. I love that. Hello children and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Ooh, what is coat and what is just hair? I'm gonna go get my eyelashes lifted and tinted as part of my Become the Hottest I Can Be 2022 experience. So this is your terribly lit before while I'm walking. Nothing bad, but nothing great.
1 hour later.
Dun, 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 dun. Let us return to this bathroom where I have filmed most of Vlogmas thus far. I went to a different person than I usually go to. I've gotten like a couple lash lifts in my day, and I feel like they didn't do as good of a job as the other place. But I also will say, I think it'll be okay. She glued my eyes, and they're still glued. Like, I think, like, literally on, okay. I don't know how much you can see, but like this eyelid, I swear to God, it's still up. Like it's still stuck. And the problem is that I can't get my eyelids wet, so I can't fix them. Like I can't get them wet for 24 hours. But I feel like it'll be fine. I think once my eyes look normal again, I'll be happy.
12 seconds later.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I felt like my eye just pulled out. That sounded really nasty, but I feel like my eye just returned to normal. Ooh, the left one. The left one. Ooh, she's back, folks. Oh, yeah, okay, that looks better. What was I gonna say? They were just full on playing DMX at like 10 o'clock on a Sunday morning. It went from like DMX, literally 3 6 Mafia started playing. Like, I was like, this is quite the vibe. She did it! Yay, good job me. Little dog, are you ready to get a little Christmassy? Cause it's day 2 of Vlogmas and we haven't even done anything Christmassy? Oh my goodness. Well, your sweater's kind of Christmassy, so there's that, yes. It's your creepy vibrating tail. Okay, I got this tree. We upgraded our tree this year from Target and I did put it up, but we didn't decorate it. So it was like, I feel like that was a sane middle ground for Thanksgiving, you know? Undecorated tree. The lies I tell myself. So anyway, Ira and I are gonna go downstairs and get the decor so we can make this thing happen.
Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side?
I love when you help with decorating because you just do things like this.
You an angel?
Well, the star looks great.
Looks beautiful.
Good
It's
old
like a
star.
Christmas nightclub.
We apparently don't have that many ornaments when you upgrade to a tree 3 times as large. We got a lot of tiny bulbs, but we need more like ornaments. So a good year to add some, you know? It's still pretty festive. We got a new tree skirt and everything.
I dig it.
Mm-hmm. Here I am in my comfortable pajama attire. Because, I guess I can talk to you without this. I'm gonna go to my to my friend Iris's house. We were gonna do some trivia tonight and grab a drink, but not to keep talking about this, but I feel like I spent way more money than I anticipated on spending yesterday. So I was like, what if we just sat in one of each other's houses and watched Real Housewives of Salt Lake? So that's what we're doing. And I think her partner's brought us pizza, which was very nice of him. Look at your giant home. Look, they made a charcuterie. The tree, the horse.
How would you say famous?
Mildly internet.
Mildly famous.
Mildly internet available. Look at her go. Look at her go. Ooh, garlic in the fish.
What a good sound.
Hostess with the mostess. We got the Real Housewives. We got the boot. Zabu.
Jen, I love that. I love that.
I have several audio messages that I've saved that's just you saying, John, I
Or
love
being called a by an Amish woman.
Yes,
That
that's
too.
a real life story that I've told everybody but the internet. So we'll come back to that.
To be continued.
Thank you for making me dinner,
Yeah.
for feeding me drinks.
Drinks, nourishment.
I don't know if you noticed, but I got my eyelashes done today.
I was gonna say they look good.
Lifted and thank you, lifted and tinted, and it specifically says that I should not be around like over a stove because any heat could mess it up. Like literally in the instructions it says don't be over a stove. So
I love like when you open the stove to remove an item and the heat that just like
or you're boiling,
singes
you're
your
boiling like hot water, and then you're just like whoosh, just
Like-
exfoliating.
A gentle stim. Extensions scare me, but they scare me a little.
They're not extensions.
What?
These are my eyelashes.
That's sickening.
Thank you. I am home.
Me too.
My hair is in a healthy little braid, a little Amish braid. Did I tell you that Iris and I were talking about this? Iris works at Morphe, and on Black Friday, this woman who was an Amish woman. Did I tell you this?
Mm-mm.
Thor's dying over here, don't mind it. She wouldn't put her mask on. And Iris was like, ma'am, you're gonna have to pull that up. The woman went to leave, and as she left, she muttered under her breath a word that I can't say without YouTube demonetizing me, but it starts with a C, rhymes with punch. And Iris went, fabulous. She laughed. When I braided my hair, I was like, am I giving you PTSD?
Yeah, I didn't even realize there were Amish people in Oregon.
Oh yeah, I think there's a decent amount in Oregon.
Really?
I worked with a guy who was Amish. He had a buggy and he would bring his Bluetooth speaker on the buggy and he would play music from it, and then he had to hide it when he went back. People, do your things. Just maybe don't call poor employees working at Morphe bad words. Thor, should we take your sweater off? Reveal the true you underneath.
Should we have a Thor reveal? Do you want to have a Thor reveal?
A Thor unboxing? Dun dun dun! Oh, my poor little naked doggy. So if you're wondering why he's naked, basically he hadn't had a haircut since like before he got injured. And because he was injured, I didn't want to take him in and make him stand and just like, I don't know, it seemed like it would be too much on him. So he didn't get a haircut for a really long time. And then right before his first surgery, I did take him in, but she didn't like give him a bath because since we weren't really able to brush him or like keep anything up, he got pretty matted. So basically he had a really bad haircut before his surgeries, and then obviously they shaved his leg when he got the first surgery, and then they had to shave it again when he got the second one. And it was just like a whole time, and this is the first time he's had his haircut basically in like over a year of like a real haircut. And so it's just like his fur was just like so messed up that she's like, it's just like easier to start over basically. And she does a really good job with his hair like his groomer does. So I think it'll be voluminous and beautiful, not just voluminous and matted soon. It's just, we gotta get him there. It's creepy seeing your little skin though. Yeah, look at your little skin folds and your little creepy tail. I asked her specifically to leave his head fluffy though, because I think it makes him look like a Muppet. I've become Wednesday.
Was your destiny.
Now that I'm ready for bed, we're gonna go to sleep. It was a lovely Sunday. Hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2.
It's true. Peace out.
You're not gonna tell them to go do something helpful with their lives? Go decorate your Christmas tree or Hanukkah at home. Or
like and
whatever
subscribe.
You do.
How about that?
That is an innovative and original idea that I don't think anyone on the YouTube has ever said. Good job. Good job and good night.
Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct,